getting these out and smoked enough cigarettes.
Yeah, you have to send in the cartons. Now, if you check on eBay, those things are selling for $100.
Really have.
It's crazy.
I just needed something for luggage.
Yeah. That was my first time. I've always found the normal ones. I found lunch boxes, but I've never found the rolling one before.
Yeah, I know my old roommate, he had everything because he used to smoke like a
10. If you want, I'll do 8. Uh, 40. No, it's vintage t-shirts, a little older t-shirts. I save it for people that look for it. 30 for both then.
How much is this?
20 and 10, 30. These are 10, I could do 8. No, so for longboards, they go on top just for stability. Like if you notice, a trick skateboard has the ones on the bottom because those you don't really go too fast. Once you go up past 20 miles per hour, you're gonna need more stability on the trucks.
So this is a longboard?
Yeah, that's made for like bombing hills and garages and stuff, cruising, and that's a trick skateboard for
the little rocks, right?
Yeah, exactly.
A trick. So you do tricks on it?
Yeah, exactly.
Is that what that means?
Yeah, the smaller wheels are for, you know, yeah, you do tricks.
Like spinning?
That or like jump tricks. You go to skate parks, you know, the ramps and stuff like that. You can't bring the longboard on ramps.
Oh, you can't?
No.
Oh.
It's not meant for it. It's basically like a beach cruiser bicycle versus a road bike. That's how I kind of compare stuff, you know?
How much are these?
The trick skateboard is 30, and then the longboard is 60. Yeah, I make YouTube.
Yeah?
Yeah, YouTube videos. That's the lowest I can go. I'm sorry. It's too expensive. I have too much money invested in it. It was my personal. Look, I'll show you. I went to Colorado.
Nice. So your snowboard skate?
Yeah, I'm going tomorrow to Colorado for 10 days.
Nice.
So I'm excited.
I live in Chile, in South America.
Yeah.
There's Punta de Lobos, the surf beach.
Yeah.
It was the first in Latin America. Is the first one. It's the big waves.
Yeah.
Meters, 20 meters, and
Oh wow, that's crazy.
friends they're sponsored by Billabong, Rape Course.
Yeah. My friend's in Costa Rica right now, fishing and surfing. Yeah.
And then, so how much is the?
So 130. Yeah. I mean, I'll take 10. I'll do 120, but that's final. Like I said, if you look it up, the jacket's 200.
My man, right now.
I can't.
For you,
I
for
can't.
Me, it's not a sale. It's a
No, I know. I'm sorry.
To deal in the next occasion.
I just listed online too for 300 for the set, so I'm already taking such a big loss. I can't. I'm sorry, I can't. I'll do the jacket for 80 if you don't want the pants, but I can't do the set for that.
You said 10?
I'm sorry?
That 10?
No, it was just for me, yeah. It's not too sunny out, so I didn't pull it out.
Okay.
Exact change too, perfect.
Yeah.
People will buy a $4 shirt and pay with a $100 bill.
No, yeah.
It's like, oh man. Yeah. Thank you.
Oh, I didn't realize you had a camera on.
Yeah, I make YouTube videos of me selling stuff and whatnot.
Oh, so that's like a body cam?
Yeah, exactly. Sometimes I'll clip it to my body bag, but yeah, when I sell at the market, I wear it as a body cam.
So it's kind of like a police body cam?
Yeah, in the sense, it's the same view, I guess.
So it's like a GoPro?
Yeah, it's exactly what it is. It's a GoPro 10. It's the newest one.
Oh, so you wear it on you.
Yeah.
You can capture everything.
Exactly. So what I'll do is I make YouTube videos of me going to thrift stores, finding this stuff,
Okay.
and then I'll make me videos of selling it. So I get paid from Google to make the videos, so that way I can kind of sell stuff a little bit cheaper than normal people would, you know?
Right, because I just started selling some of my stuff on eBay.
Mm-hmm.
and it's going okay. You know.
Yeah. So
I mean,
my
it's not
thing with
main job,
eBay.
but I love to shop. You know
Yeah.
what I mean, so I just end up with too much stuff.
That's what happened with me. I was like, how can I monetize me thrifting and shopping? Because
Shopping, yes.
I love clothes.
Yeah.
But my advice with the eBay is constant listing.
Yeah.
I've noticed just always listing, whether it's 2 items a day, 3 items, it keeps your store active and
Right.
current when people look for searches.
Well, as you know, the fun part is what they call the sourcing, is the shopping.
Yes,
And then
the
I get home
listing
and I
is
have like
the worst.
you know,
Yeah,
a spot
that's
in my
why I
house
come
where
out
gotta
here.
list everything.
Because obviously I can list those online and get way more,
Yeah,
but
right,
it's
yeah.
much easier to do it out here and
Yes.
you know.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, that's so interesting. So I'll watch some of your videos. What are you
Yeah,
under?
it's EMC Vlogs.
Okay, EMC. All right
Yeah.
then.
What do you
Okay,
want
I'll
for the
look
board?
The long board, I was asking 60. I could do 50. The short board at 30. It was like 150 brand new. All the bearings and everything really good.
You know, well, it's not for me, obviously.
Yeah, yeah.
I don't want to kill myself anytime soon. All right, thank you.
Thank you.
Cool. Though. How about these?
I could do $5 just to get rid of them.
You have good price?
Yeah, I'm trying to get rid of stuff. People come here. I just told them I could do 50. It was like 150 new. It was my personal one, so if I can't get it, I'd just rather keep it, you know? I live in South Beach, so I use it there. Yeah, you can test it all out. You can test it, you're good.
How is the right?
This way forward. Because this, and see how this is flat? So this way is forward.
Why is the difference? These ones and the other ones?
So those is for more cruising, and then these are for tricks. So like that is like around here, and you can hit rocks here.
But they happen this one is more fast. Is fast.
No, like you could put faster bearings, you know, or but that's like, you know, like a beach cruiser, you know.
Okay. How much you give me low price?
50 is my bottom, otherwise I'd keep it. I'm sorry. I've had a few people offer 50 on OfferUp. Because I have it listed for 100. Look, I'll show you.
I like it. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Yeah, see, look, I have it listed
I
for
know.
100,
Yeah,
and
I
someone
know.
said 50. So I said
know.
after I leave here, I could sell it.
I know, but I have this money, you know.
Yeah, no, I understand.
But for why is this one?
It's just how it is. It's to give it stability. So when you go fast, it doesn't shake or anything. I could take off 5 and do 45, but any lower, I'll sell when I leave, you know?